For today's design, we're doing a black and white floral featuring polishes by LACC. We're going to start with base polish white, and we're going to use a toothpick to dot on some dots. Then we're going to use that same toothpick to create an E shape. This E shape is going to be our simple petal shape that we're going to use throughout the flower. It looks pretty complicated when you see the design, but when you see how it's actually done, it's pretty simplistic. We're going to continue the next layer of petals with some more letter E shapes around the initial flower. So you can even do this design with a simple toothpick or dotting tool if you have one. And we're just dipping the toothpick in that little dollop of black polish and carefully dabbing it around the flower to create those letter E's. Next, we're going to paint on the leaf for the flower. So same thing, we're just dipping it into the black polish and dabbing it on. Next, we're going to do the white flower. So same thing, we're going to dab on some white polish and use a toothpick again. Going to put some dots in there for the center of the flower. For this one, we're going to use a letter C shape instead of the E. We're using C's. Okay, simple enough. Then we're going to do an E shape. Again, if you have a dotting tool, you can use a dotting tool. If you have a paintbrush, you can use a paintbrush. But if you don't have either, just use a simple toothpick. Then we're going to add on the leaf. And we're going to wait a little bit, then add on the top coat. We don't want to smear the design. And then you're done. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. We'll see you next time.